Hello students, okay, starting with the new lesson number 7, okay. We have already learned about the plant, and this is the next step in the plants, okay. In this lesson also we are going to learn parts of the plants, but in deeply we are going to learn about the parts of plants. In this lesson we are going to learn different parts of the plants. Also we are going to learn the functions of the different parts of the plants, okay. Such as, you know, this is the plant, this is the plant, this is the plant, okay. Now the plant is divided into two parts. Plant is having main two parts, okay. Upper part is called shoot, and the part which stays below the soil or under the soil, this is called as root. This is root, and this part which is upper the ground, okay, the part which stays upside of the ground, this part is called shoot, and this part is called root, okay. This is root and this is shoot. Shoot includes many part. Shoot includes this stem, shoot includes this leaf, okay. Shoot includes flower, shoot include fruits, okay. Shoot include seeds, okay, or many other things. Shoot includes totally 5 parts, okay. Bird curry, it includes bird, it includes flower, it includes fruit, it includes stem, it includes leaf, okay. Should include 5 parts. And the root has the one part, that is root only, okay. So today we are going to learn in deeply about this root. We are going to learn about this root, okay. We all know that root grows under the ground, okay. Now this root has two types. Root has two types. One is taproot and other is fibrous root. Taproot and the fibrous root. These two are the types of the roots, okay. Now taproot. Taproot is the root which has one main root, okay. Taproot is the root which has only one main root, okay. These short roots are not available in the taproot, okay. This is fibrous root, but taproot has only one main root. For example, carrot is a tap root, okay. We eat carrot, gajar we eat carrot, okay. Carrot is the root, okay, and that includes in taproot, that is included in taproot, okay. So taproot is the root which has main root, which has main thick root, okay. And it may have these small roots besides it, okay. It may have this small roots besides it, okay. Now fibrous root consists of many thin roots. It consists of thin roots. Like onion, we can see the upper side of the onion, okay. We can see the upper side of the onion. There are a lot of thin roots are available, okay. We can see that thin roots, okay. In this fibrous roots, there are two types of roots, okay. Now the functions of the roots, okay. Functions of the roots. Now we are going to see the functions, okay. What are the functions? As these roots are fixed in the soil, these roots are fixed in the soil. What is its main function? Its main function is to absorb the water and mineral from the soil. So it is main function is it takes minerals and the water. It takes mineral and the water from the soil. Also it stays fixed in the soil. It stays fixed. Okay, it gives a fixed place or the fixed support to the plant. Okay, it is fixed in the soil. So it gives proper support. It gives proper support to the plant. It fixed to the soil. Okay. Okay, now some roots have function of storing food. Some roots have function of storing food like beetroot or carrot. Beetroot, have you seen the beetroot? Beetroot is a it's of a red color. Okay, and it has a function. It has a very important function of storing food. Okay, and some roots also helps in storing food. Roots helps in stays fixed in the soil and the water. It supplies water and minerals from the soil. It takes water and the mineral which is required for the growth of the plant. It takes away from the soil. So this is all about the root from lesson number 7. Okay, the plant is having two types. This is shoot and this is root. Okay, no. So today we have learnt about the root. Root has two types, taproot and the fibrous root. Okay, taproot is the root which has main thick roots, and besides it has a small thin roots. Okay, fibrous roots are the roots which are the thin roots only, which are the small many thin roots are available in this fibrous roots. Okay, now the functions of the root. Okay, water and minerals. It takes water and the mineral from the soil, which is important for the growth of the plant. Okay, root helps in staying fixed in the soil. Okay, roots gives fixation of the plant in the soil. Okay, roots also helps some roots. Okay, only some roots helps in storing food. Okay, for example carrot and radish, turnip, beetroot. Okay, these all are the examples of the roots. Okay, so keep in mind and follow this.